How to use the Galanz French door toaster oven with TotalFry 360. Let's air fry with TotalFry 360. Start by placing uncooked food on the air fry basket and inserting the basket into the oven. Select the desired temperature and the air fry setting. Adjust the time and cooking will automatically start. When the cooking time is done, the oven will automatically shut off. Let's bake. Place food on the baking tray and insert it into the toaster oven. Select the bake setting and adjust the time and temperature knobs to desired setting. Remove food and enjoy. Let's cook with Convection. Place food in a dish of your choice or use one of the accessory trays. Select the Convection setting and adjust the time and temperature knobs to desired setting. Open toaster oven doors and carefully remove the food. Let's cook a pizza. If cooking a frozen pizza or one from a pre-made crust, place the pizza directly on the wire rack. Turn the temperature knob to the recommended setting. Select the pizza setting. Select the desired amount of cooking time, and the toaster oven will start cooking. Let's cook with the Rotisserie function. Place the roasting pan on the bottom rack of the toaster oven to catch any drippings or to roast additional food while using the rotisserie. Place the meat onto the rotisserie kit, then secure the kit inside the toaster oven before turning it on. Select the rotisserie setting and the desired temperature and cooking time. When done cooking, carefully remove the rotisserie kit with the food on it from the toaster oven. Let's toast. Place bread directly on the wire rack. Set the temperature dial to the toast icon. Select the toast function, then select the desired level of toasting. Let's dehydrate. Place food on the air fry tray and insert the tray into the oven. Select the desired temperature, the dehydrate function. Select the desired cook time. Note that multiple cooking cycles might be necessary for dehydrating. Carefully remove the tray and enjoy. All accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Soft close French doors allow for easier and safer use.